So I sketched this first one out for the pentagon, but really we don't need a sketch for this. What we need is the formula for the area of a regular polygon, which is that the area, right up here, area is equal to 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. What do they give us for perimeter? Well, we should say um, like that, A times P, where perimeter equals the the side length times the number of sides. Okay, so we'll do that for each one. Let's find the perimeter of the pentagon first. Well, for the perimeter, we would say the perimeter, the side length, which is 35.3 times 5, the number of sides, which equals 176.5. Okay, so if we were then going to, and I'll do the work down in the bottom and then I'll move it out of the way. If we were going to do the area equals 1/2 the apothem length, which they give us for number 11 as 24.3 times the perimeter length, and we calculated the perimeter length to be 176.5, then using our calculator, we get 176.5 times 24.3 times 0.5, and we get 2,144.475. The units were centimeters, and we're talking about area, so centimeters squared. Okay, so I'm going to take a little copy of that, and I'm going to plop that in for right next to number 11. Let me erase all this work and all of that. And that's the idea. So let's do that again. If we have, I'm going to find the perimeter again for now an octagon. If we have the perimeter is going to be equal to the side length, which is 50, times the number of sides in an octagon, that's 8, and then that equals a perimeter of 400. Okay, so we will then take the same formula for area of a regular polygon is 1/2 the apothem length, and they gave us the apothem length in the problem as 60.4 inches, times the perimeter, which we calculated 8 sides at 50 inches each, is 4. And then multiplying these numbers together, we get 12,080. And what were the units? The units were inches, so we've got inches squared. I'm going to take a little cutting of that. After putting here, oops. Okay, that's our area. I'm going to erase the rest of this. And put that there for number 13. Okay, and we'll do it one more time for the decagon, which how many sides does this decagon have? It has 10 sides. So if we wanted to find the perimeter of that, we would say the perimeter of this decagon is equal to the side length, 12.3, times the number of sides, 10. Hopefully you can do this in your head. You're just multiplying by 10, you move the decimal over 1, and we get a perimeter of 123. So then, to find the total area, we say 1/2 times the apothem, which is 19, times the perimeter, which is 123, And when I do these numbers, we say 0.5 times 19 times 123 equals 1,168.5. And what units did they use for number 15? They used meters, m. So then since it's area, it is meters squared. And I will get rid of all of that, drop our answers in there. And we're done.